Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the day more coming in on August 5, the more leaks is coming about the upcoming new Samsung devices like the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus now pop up on a Google Play console. That's new images appear. Samsung is expected to launch two tablets during its Unpacked event on August 5, which has 6 days away from now. The Galaxy Tab S7 and Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, we saw their full specs, and I also make a video, and we have seen a full spec sheet early this week, and now both slots appeared on Google Play console, confirming some of the key hardware. At the same time, even Blast shared some official image confirmed what we know so far: thin bezels, rampant S Pen, and lack of any fingerprint scanner, meaning the sensor will make its way underneath the AMOLED panel. The Galaxy Tab S7 will be available in Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi plus LTE models. However, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus will have one extra with 5G compatibility and is expected to arrive at market where the next generation networks are already widely available. The Google Play console listing also says Snapdragon 865 Plus and 6 and 8 gigs of RAM. The resolution of the display are also in line with the previous leaks: 2560 multiplied by 1600 pixels for the Tab S7 and 2800 by 1752 pixel for the Tab S7 Plus. While the specs are out there, the price or availability remain to be detailed at Unpacked event in next week in August 5. So as you can see on this picture, this is the Galaxy Tab S7 with a Wi-Fi. If you see the next picture, it's the Galaxy Tab S7 with LTE and some specs and all thing they will show in this picture. So the next picture is showing the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus all specs, and the next picture is the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus with a 5G. The 5G will come with a 6GB to 8GB of RAM, and system on chip it's showing the Snapdragon 865 Plus, and CPU is the Qualcomm Carrier 585 3100 MHz and 3x Qualcomm with a 4x Qualcomm 585, and it's showing the GPU, it's Adreno 650 670 mAh, and the Android is 10 and screen density is 340, and it's show form factor it's tablet. So these are picture of the latest picture which even Blast post on her Twitter account. Also he revealed some specs, and he also revealed a more detail about this, but the price is not confirmed, and we have see the price in Unpacked even on August 5. So let's see in upcoming days on August 5, and make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos guys. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out.